So hello guys, let us discuss about some JEE Mains advanced question solution. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो रिएक्टेंट है ये तुम्हें दिया हुआ है. फर्स्ट जो रिएजेंट है वो है हाइड्रोक्सिल एमीन NH2OH. उसके बाद जो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हो रहा है A, उसके अंदर क्या दिया हुआ है H2SO4. तो पकड़ लो ये हो गया आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेट H2SO4. कॉन्सेंट्रेट H2SO4 दिया हुआ है. सो यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई what is the major compound B between A, B, C and D. So between A, B, C and D, what is the major compound here? Okay. So देखो, first of all, before going to discussion, we have to discuss about some important nucleophile, electrophilic or electromeric type of reaction. Okay. So this is a ketonic structure. Within that ketonic structure, the bonded electron density shifts towards oxygen as the electronegativity of oxygen is more as compared to carbon. Okay, now it will be hydroxylamine. Nitrogen contain one lone pair, whereas oxygen contain two lone pair. But the electronegativity of oxygen is more as compared to nitrogen. Due to this oxygen extract this lone pair towards itself. As a result, the releasing ability or donating ability of this lone pair will be decreases as compared to nitrogen, as the electronegativity of nitrogen is less as compared to oxygen. So as the availability will be more of this nucleophilic or its lone pair, the neutral nucleophile center will attack this electrophilic center, and after this attack, this carbon contain 5 hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this carbon attached with this nitrogen. So as a result 5 hand. But carbon does not contain 5 hand. That is why the pi bond linkage, which will be more labile in nature, will be heterolytic fission, undergoes heterolytic fission, and the electron density will shift over the oxygen center. So after the reaction, this will be that carbon. There are two bonds. One bond linked with oxygen and a negative charge is placed over there, and this carbon and this nitrogen will be bonded. One hydrogen is situated besides this nitrogen, and another hydrogen is just represented by put upward. Okay. So as the lone pair will be moved from this nitrogen center, now the nitrogen center will carry a positive charge. Okay. After that, the electronegativity between hydrogen and nitrogen, the nitrogen will be more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. So the bonding electron density will shift towards that nitrogen. As a result, the removal tendency of this hydrogen as a proton will be more. That's why this oxygen, their negative charge over oxygen, will extract this hydrogen as a proton, and the bond electron density, which will be prepared by 2 electron, undergoes heterolytic fission, and the 2 electron density will shift over that nitrogen. As a result, this nitrogen will become neutral. Then this nitrogen contain hydrogen, and the carbon which is readily attached to this nitrogen contain OH. Due to that, there will be a releasing tendency of water. How it is possible? So let us consider this H will be removed as a proton. The bonded electron density will shift over this bond, so thereby a double bond will form, and after that the bond electron density under heterolytic fission will be released as OH minus. So the released OH minus combined with this H plus to form H2O. As a result, this will be your final product. So all the mechanism will be represented in a single line by that way. So these will be the ketone and these will be your hydroxylamine. So placed hydrogen and oxygen in हेड ऑन साइड, मतलब इस दोनों को एकदम सामने सामने रखो. अब देखो इधर एक बॉक्स ड्रॉ करो. बॉक्स ड्रॉ करने का मतलब ये जो हाइड्रोजन है, ये जो ऑक्सीजन है, मिलके एक H2O होके निकल गया, तो ये डबल बॉन्ड के साथ ये नाइट्रोजन जुड़ गया. तो यही है, देखो आफ्टर मैकेनिज्म दिस विल बी द प्रोडक्ट. सो नाउ लेट अस कंसीडर अबाउट द मेन थिंग्स, दिस वन. So let us draw this one with which hydroxylamine will be reacted. बट अभी मैं पूरा डिस्कस नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि पूरा डिस्कशन क्या होता है इधर दिखा दिया चुका हूँ. तो अब देखो नाइट्रोजन के साथ जो हाइड्रोजन है और ये जो कार्बन के साथ डबल बॉन्ड से जुड़ा हुआ जो ऑक्सीजन है, सो दिस विल रिलीज्ड एज H2O. सो इस डबल बॉन्ड के साथ नाइट्रोजन जुड़ गया एंड ये OH इधर बॉन्ड होके इधर रह चुका है. अब देखो तो तुम्हारा स्ट्रक्चर क्या हुआ. ये स्ट्रक्चर इस कार्बन के साथ डबल बॉन्ड से जुड़ा हुआ दिस नाइट्रोजन एंड OH इज लिंक्ड विद दैट नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर देखो लोन पेयर है. सो व्हाट विल बी योर सेकेंड रिएजेंट? कॉन्सेंट्रेट H2SO4 एंड वी नो दैट कॉन्सेंट्रेट H2SO4 विल रिलीज H plus. ओके, नाउ the lone pair over oxygen contain two lone pair, so one lone pair over oxygen will extract this proton. So you can ask a question that, sir, why this lone pair does not extract this hydrogen? Because you first show that the electronegativity of nitrogen is less as compared to oxygen. So the availability of lone pair towards proton will be more for this lone pair. But here it is not possible. Why? Because now after electronegativity you should consider about the bonding characteristics. Here nitrogen is attached with that carbon with a double bond. So the hybridization of this nitrogen will be sp2. But this oxygen characteristics or hybridization will be sp3. Due to that reason, this oxygen contain 25% S character, but this nitrogen will contain 33% S character. Okay, this oxygen will contain 25% S character and this nitrogen will contain 33% S character. So the percentage character of S will be more for this nitrogen. Okay, so due to this fact the lone pair is strongly held over that nitrogen center. Okay, because the hybridization will be sp2, percentage S character will be more, so valence orbital will be strongly attracted towards that nitrogen center. That is why this lone pair is not available towards that H plus as compared to that of lone pair of oxygen. So that lone pair of oxygen will extract H plus. After the extraction of H plus, the proton will linked with that oxygen and now the lone pair becomes positive because lone pair is donated towards hydrogen. That is why a positive sign will be there. Now the bond between this carbon and this carbon, the bond between this carbon and this carbon undergoes heterolytic fission and the electron densities undergoes conjugation between this carbon nitrogen. As a result, a triple bond will be created, and after fission a positive sign will appear here. And as nitrogen contains 3 bond along with a lone pair, so here 1 2 with that bond 3 bond will be prepared. So due to the electronegativity of oxygen compared to nitrogen is more, the bonded electron density undergoes heterolytic fission and the electron density will be shifted over that oxygen. As a result, H2O will be releases. As a result, H2O will be releases. After the removal of H2O, then a positive sign will appear here. So again you can ask me a question that, sir, why this bond will not be undergoes heterolytic fission? Because if this bond will be undergoes heterolytic fission, positive charge will appear there. If this bond will be heterolytic fission, which will not possible, but if this will happen, then a positive sign will be appear there, and the positive sign is present over that carbon. So the positive signed carbon linked with one carbon, so that is why the degree of carbocation will be 1, but here the degree of carbocation will be 3. Why? Because the carbon which holds the plus charge linked with 3 carbon, 1 2 and 3. Okay, so this will be the 3 degree carbocation. After that HSO4 माइनस कहाँ से आया? H2SO4 से H प्लस रिमूवल होने के बाद जो HSO4 माइनस आया, this will extract that hydrogen, so it will release as H2SO4. So after removal of this hydrogen, the bond electron density will shift and will shift towards that bond, towards that carbon-carbon bond. As a result, this plus charge will be neutralized. So तुम्हें ये प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करने के बाद ध्यान से फाइनल प्रोडक्ट लिखना चाहिए. देखो ये जो कार्बन है ये वाला, ये जो कार्बन है ये वाला कार्बन, उसके साथ दोनों मिथाइल ग्रुप जुड़ा हुआ है. उसके साथ क्या है? उसके साथ देखो एक इधर कार्बन चला आया, ये जो कार्बन है ये है तुम्हारा ये कार्बन, उसके साथ CH2CN, देखो CH2CN, और ये जो कार्बन है वो कौन सा वाला कार्बन? ये कार्बन है. उसके साथ देखो एक मिथाइल विल लिंक्ड विद दैट, one methyl will linked with that, then there will be a double bond in this side, double bond in this side. After that, these are the cycle, okay. So these are your, it is your final product of that question, okay.